Alright, so question number 7 is a given digital circuit is referred to as a logic circuit, and it asks you this label means that the circuit operates. So if somebody is saying like, oh yeah, this DC is a logic circuit, it means that it is, operating by a certain set of logic rules, okay? Because a logic circuit is just a circuit, but it performs logical operations, okay? One or more binary, you have inputs here, 0 or 1, to produce your output, your binary output, based on a very well defined, okay, logic rules. So the answer for question number 7 is C, because when we say logic circuit, we're not talking about a fully hybrid circuit, okay? Or we're not talking about the unknown characteristic of a specific set of rules. Or we're not talking about definitely this is you need to eliminate, because this is talking about an analog representation of a given quantity, so it's completely out of the line. Yeah. And again, your set of logic rules. So in your logic circuit, you have your gates, yeah, and then of course these are all called the logic gates, and they're gonna perform your logical operations, yeah. And don't forget, we have many different gates: your AND, your OR, your NOT, your exclusive OR, your NAND, your NOR, okay, gates, and they all perform on a specific logic rules. Like if you think about your AND gate, you should know your outputs 1 if all of its inputs is going to be 1. Otherwise, it's going to output 0. If you think about your OR AND, your output is going to be 1 if at least one of its input is 1. Yeah. So these are all we call it set of logic rules. Of course, your input and output, so input going in, output coming out, according to these logic rules. So the answer is C, yeah, by a certain set of logic rules. So that is what it means for a logic circuit.